Hello children, in social studies, in this video, I'm going to revise all the objective types questions and answer. All objective types question and answer. In the book, page number 31, fill in the blanks is there. In book, page number 31, fill in the blanks. Here see the page number 31. 31 is fill in the blanks. Okay, but here they given a words, but in the question paper no giving options. Okay children, first one, I dash my little sister. What is the answer? I love my little sister. Love, love. Number 2, I live with my dash. This boy lives with his father. Father spelling Father. Father. Number 3, my dad read me stories every night. My who read parents. My parents. What is the spelling for parents? Parents. Parents read storybooks every night. Number 4, we keep our house clean. 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 We keep our house clean. Number 5, I play dash with my brother. I play, what is the option given here? Carom. Carrom. Carom. This fill in the blanks is in page number 31. And next fill in the blanks, I am going to revise from the note. Children, from the note, lesson number 2, Roman number 2. Okay, lesson number 2, fill in the blanks. Is there no fill in the blanks? Number 1 is, all of us need dash to live. All of us need water to live. What is the spelling for water? W-A-T-E-R, water. Number 2, dash is the main source of water. Dash is the main source of water. What is the main source of water? Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain is the main source of water. Number 3, many dash join to form a river. Many dash join to form a river. What? Streams. S-T-R-E-A-M-S. Many streams join to form a river. Number 4, a dash is a large body of water. A dash is the large body of water. Which is the large body of water? Sea. S-E-A-C. Number 5, we dig dash to get underground water. We get underground water. What is the answer? Well. W-E-L-L-S. Wells. Okay. The next is in lesson number 3, fill in the blanks. This is from the lesson number 3, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Dash clothes absorb the sweat. Which clothes? Cotton. What's the spelling for cotton? C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton clothes absorb the sweat. Number 2, we wear dash clothes in winter. We wear dash clothes in winter. What clothes we'll wear in the winter? Woolen. W-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Number 3, we get wool from the dash. We get wool from the dash. Sheep. We get wool from the sheep. What is the spelling for sheep? S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. This is in the lesson number 3. Then next fill in the blanks is lesson number 4. See, this fill in the blanks is from lesson number 4. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. In a nuclear family, children live with their parents. In a nuclear family, children live with their dash. Parents. Parents spelling P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. Number 2. In a dash family. In a dash family, children live with their mother or father. In which family? Single parent family. Single parent. What is the spelling for single parent? SINGLEPARENTS. Parents. Single parents family. Number 3. In a family where there are no children. In a family where there are no children, people sometimes live with their dash pets. They'll grow the dogs, cats, parrots, like that are all pets. Okay, PETS, pets. Number 4. Number 4. Member of a family does work at home. Member of a family does work at home. Share work at home. So children, in book page number 31 and in the note lesson number 2, 3 and 4. In this and all fill in the blanks are there. All the fill in the blanks. Study well. And next I am going to revise the choose the correct answer. In page number 12, there is a tick the correct answer. This no tick the correct answer. This in the question paper, it will come like a choose the correct answer. Okay. Here the pictures are given, but we cannot give the pictures because you cannot draw it. So like a words only it will come. Already this and all you wrote like a test. Okay children. We eat this when we are hungry. Food or paper it's given. Here it's tick food. Okay. I'll give a word. You have to take and write on the dash. Okay. No putting tick. We eat this raw. Brinjal or cucumber. We eat this raw. Cucumber. No putting tick. You have to take and write the words. We cook this before eating. We cook this before eating. Cabbage or a apple. Cabbage. Okay. We do this before and after every meal. Every meal. You sleep or wash your hands. Yes, we'll wash our hands. This comes like a choose the correct answer. Next, choose the correct answer. It's in page number 22. See, in page number 22, here also it's given tick the correct answer. All tick the correct answers, all will come like a choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Long ago, people covered themselves dash. What you have to take and write here? Leaves or a clothes. You have to take and write the leaves. There will be given a dash. LEAVES. Like that you have to take and write. Okay, number 2. Some raincoats are made of dash, wool or rubber. You have to write on the dash rubber. We get cotton from dash. The options you see, jute plant or a cotton plant. Yes, take the correct answer and write on the dash. We get wool from dash. We get wool from sheep or rabbit. We get wool from sheep. Take and write the answer. Okay. Like this you have to write all the tick the correct answers. Understand children? Next in the page number 35. Page number 35. Sorry, it's not in a page number 35. It's page number 36. Here also see tick the correct answer. Okay. We feel dash in our house. We feel safe or unsafe. You have to write on the dash safe or unsafe. You have to write the safe. SAFE. Long ago people lived in a dash. Long ago people lived in a caves. CAVES. You have to take and write the options on the dash. Number 3. A house made of mud and straw is a dash house. What house? Kacha house. You have to select from the option and write the answer on the dash. KACHCHA. Kacha house. Number 4. House in odd place have dash roofs. What roof they will have? Flat roof or sloping roof? Flat roof. FLAT. Flat roof. A bungalow is a dash house. What house? A bungalow is a big house. A dash is a house on wheel. Which house is a house on wheel? Caravan or a houseboat? House on wheel? Caravan. House on wheel, a caravan. 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 Okay. Next in page number 46. Page number 46. Here it's given circle, but no circling. You have to take and write the answer like a choose the correct answer only. This also will come like a choose the correct answer. People who live in a neighborhood are called dash. Neighbors or enemies? Neighbors. We buy bread and butter from the dash. What is the option are given? Shop and bank. Which one? Shop. You are taken right on the dash. We buy postcards from the bank. We buy postcard from the dash. Bank or post office? Post office. We go to a dash when we are sick. We go to a school or hospital when we are sick. We go to a hospital. Here dash will be there. You have to take and write the option. The options and all in the bracket only I will give down. Number 5. We must keep our neighborhood dash clean or dirty. Clean. Okay, children. Till here, you choose the correct answer. In page number 12, in page number 22, in page number 36, and page number 46. In 4 pages, there are tick the correct answer and the circle the correct answer. This all will come in the question as a choose the correct answer. Next, I am going to revise the missing letters. In page number 13, there are some missing letters. See the missing letters. Here the questions are given, but in the question paper only the word will be given by missing letters. Okay, CH dash R dash Y, like that only it will be given. No questions. Got it, children? Yes. Cherry. 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 Number 2, carrot. 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 Number 3, potato. 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 See the missing letters and all. Mango. 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 Like that in page number 13 it is there. Next missing letters in page number 18. So page number 18 missing letters. In page number 18 here are some sentences are given, but no sentence will be given in the question paper. Okay, only the words and the letters will be missing. Snow. 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 What are the letters missing here? N and O. Next is streams. 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 In this any 2 letters will be missing. Here is sea and ocean. Sea and ocean. SEAC. Ocean. 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 Sea will come like one word and ocean will come like one word. And river. 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 Okay, children, this is in the page number 18 like a missing letters. No, this sentence and all coming. Only the word and the letters will be missing. Next page number 20. In page number 20, there are some more missing letters are here. See, here will not ask questions. Only the word what is here. In that what letters are missing, this only will be given. Okay. Here is cotton. What are the letters are missing? OO. COTTON. Cotton. Next woolen. WOOLLEN. Woolen. This all will come like a missing letters. Rain. 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 Okay. No, like this sentence will be given. Only the word. You have to study this in the page number 20. Next page number missing letter is in page number 41. See, in page number 41 are given us some missing letters. Okay, they are given like a question. They teach us in school. No asking questions, no giving sentence. Only the word. Okay, teacher. For teacher spelling, you should know what letter is missing in this. You should know to write the missing letters. Okay, Teacher. In this, any two letters only will be missing. Same thing here also. Assembly hall. The full spelling you should learn. In this, what letter is missing? For that letter only you have to fill it. Library, Library, library. Computer, Computer, computer. Here are four letters and 5 letters are missing, but only 2 letters will be missing for the exam. Playground. Okay, like that you have to write the missing letters. Next missing letters in the note, lesson number 5. Lesson number 5, the missing letters. Okay, bungalow. You should know to know the spelling. Then only you can write the what letter is missing. You can write hut, 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 TENT, tent. This one yesterday you wrote test, I think. Caravan, kacha house. This is in the lesson number 5. Okay, next topic I am going to revise the jumble letters. Children, this jumble letters is in page number 37. See, here they given like a question. Okay, but in the exam these questions will not come. Only the jumble letters will come. You should identify and write the jumble letters. VIHE means hive. ESHED, shed. CHUTH, hutch. Like that you should know to write. This is in the page number 37. And jumble letters in the note, it is in the lesson 2. In lesson 2, the jumble letters are there. See here, rearrange the jumble letters. It's in the lesson 2. See here, it is given. RKIND. This means drink. This, like this letter, you have to arrange and write reverse. See, waterfalls. Arrange and, if you arrange and write, this will come tap. And this will come like a lake. Okay. In what are the pages jumble letters are there? In page number 37 and lesson number 2. Next topic I am going to revise the match the following. See children, in page number 17 there is a match the following. Okay, but it's given line, no line matching. Always you should try to match with the numbers. Animals and plants need a water to live. An ocean is a larger than a sea. We must not waste water. Take only as much water as you can drink. Like this you have to match with the numbers. Next match the following is in page number 46. In page number 46 there are some match the followings. Okay, nurse. We see in the market or fire station or hospital. Hospital. Shopkeeper, market. Policewoman, police station. Firefighter, fire station. See, like this you have to match with the numbers. Next match the followings in the notes in lesson number 1, lesson number 3 and lesson number 5 are there. In 3 lessons there are match the followings. Now I will revise that also. This match the following is from the lesson number 1. Match the following. Food help us to grow. See here, number matching. All fruits can be eaten raw. All fruits can be eaten raw. We have breakfast in the morning. Morning eating food is, meal is breakfast. We must eat fresh and clean food. See, with the number only we have matched and we have practiced. Okay, the next lesson, match the followings, lesson number 3. Okay, this is in lesson number 3, match the following: cotton, wool, silk, leather, jute and rubber. Okay, you have to see cotton, cotton plants, wool, sheep, silk, silk where we get silkworm, leather, skin of animals, jute plant, rubber tree. Okay, this is from the lesson number 3. Next, lesson number 5. This match the followings from lesson 5. Hot places, flat roofs, hut, mud and straw they will build, igloo they build by ice, tent is made by canvas, multi-storage building is flats. Okay, these all are the matchings in your book and note. And in page number 17 there's a true or false. Page number 17 and page number 41. See, in page number 17 there are true or false. Okay, when you write the true or false, I want you all to write in a full form. No only writing T and no only writing F. True means you have to write the full spelling for the true. TRUE, true. False means FALSE, false. Okay, this all you have written in the book. So study well. And once I'll read. Plants need water to grow. True. Tap is the main source of water. False. A river is smaller than an ocean. True. Water found under the ground is called waterfall. False. We must boil or filter water before drinking it. True. Okay, next in page number 41. See, this is in page number 41. Okay, true or false? I told you, you are right in a full form. There are many teachers in a school. True. The morning assembly is held in our house. False. We learn music in the music room. True. We must not share things with our friends. False. Okay, these are the things you have to learn, children. And I told what method it will come for the exam. Choose all, the tick the correct answer, all will come as a choose the correct answer. Okay, for the fill in the blanks, sometimes they'll give a options in the box, but choose the correct answer, they'll have a 2 options. In the 2 options you have to select and write the correct answer. Okay children, that's all. Study well. All the question answers you study well. If I can, I'll revise it in one more video. Thank you children.